Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we take an honest and detailed look at the latest gadgets shaping the way we live, work, and play. Today we're diving into something a little different from DJI, a brand we usually associate with drones and cameras. The DJI Power 1000 V2 is here, and it's their next step in the portable power station market. If you've been looking for a reliable, high-capacity power solution for outdoor adventures, road trips, or even emergency backup at home, this one is worth a closer look. The DJI Power 1000 V2 is built with specifications that make it stand out. It has a 1024 Wh battery capacity, offering enough juice to keep drones, laptops, cameras, phones, and even small appliances powered for hours. It delivers up to 2200 W of output with pure sine wave AC, meaning you can safely run sensitive electronics without worry. The station supports multiple ports, including 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-C PD140W ports, multiple USB-A ports, a 12V car outlet, and DC outputs. DJI also added bidirectional charging, letting the Power 1000 V2 recharge and discharge efficiently while maintaining energy safety. In terms of design, DJI keeps things sleek and functional. The Power 1000 V2 has a compact rectangular form factor with solid handles for carrying. Despite its large capacity, it feels manageable, weighing just under 13 kilograms. The build quality is premium, with a reinforced body that feels ready for outdoor use. The display is clear and bright, giving real-time information about input, output, and remaining battery life. It's rugged enough for field work yet polished enough to look good in a home setup. Performance is what really makes this unit shine. With 2200 W of sustained output and up to 4400 W of surge power, it can handle heavy loads like electric grills, coffee machines, or even portable heaters for short periods. The dual USB-C ports are a standout, providing ultra-fast charging for laptops, tablets, and even drones. DJI claims that with their dedicated fast charger, the Power 1000 V2 can recharge from 0 to 80% in just about 50 minutes, which is remarkable for a power station of this size. The software and features add an extra layer of convenience. Through the DJI Power app, users can monitor energy usage, control charging settings, and receive alerts about system status. Firmware updates are supported over the air, which means DJI can keep improving efficiency and safety features over time. There's also an eco mode to limit idle power draw and extend battery lifespan, something power users will appreciate. Battery life and durability are key here. The Power 1000 V2 uses advanced lithium iron phosphate (LiFePO4) cells, known for their safety and longevity. DJI rates the battery for over 3,000 charge cycles before dropping below 80% capacity, meaning it should last many years with regular use. Whether you're camping, shooting on location, or keeping it at home for blackout backup, the Power 1000 V2 feels like a long-term investment. Using the Power 1000 V2 is straightforward. Plugging in multiple devices at once doesn't cause any hiccups, and the system manages power distribution intelligently. For drone pilots, it can recharge drone batteries quickly and multiple times, making it an excellent field companion. For filmmakers, it keeps cameras, monitors, and even lighting gear powered without needing a noisy generator. In home use, it can run essentials like routers, laptops, or even small fridges during outages. Connectivity is another highlight. The unit pairs with DJI's app seamlessly over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and the interface is simple enough that even beginners can use it without confusion. DJI has also designed it to be compatible with solar panels, so you can recharge it off-grid, making it an appealing option for adventurers who want sustainable energy solutions. When it comes to price and value, the DJI Power 1000 V2 is on the premium side, sitting higher than some competing models. But the combination of fast charging, strong output, durable battery chemistry, and DJI's ecosystem integration makes it worth the cost for many users. You're not just buying a power station, you're buying reliability backed by one of the most trusted names in tech. Of course, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, you get ultra-fast recharging, a wide range of output ports, durable LiFePO4 batteries, app integration, and a sleek design. On the downside, it's still fairly heavy for EXT. Ended travel on foot, and the price may be steep for casual users who just want occasional backup power. So what's the final verdict? The DJI Power 1000 V2 is more than just a power station, it's a dependable energy hub designed for creators, adventurers, and anyone who values reliable backup power. It combines portability, high output, and intelligent features in a way that few competitors do. Whether you're powering your gear in the field, charging multiple devices on a road trip, or keeping your home connected during an outage, the Power 1000 V2 delivers performance you can trust. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you in-depth and authentic reviews of the latest tech shaping our lives. If you enjoyed this review of the DJI Power 1000 V2, stick around because we've got plenty more exciting devices to explore with you soon.